So you landed on this video because you want to know how you can make money with CopyPro traders outside of just from the actual trading opportunity. And I'm going to show you just that. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? It's Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, as well as this company. And I'm going to show you today social proof that you can actually withdraw and that you can actually make money with CopyPro traders on top of them making you money from the actual trades. So it's been an awesome ride so far. You know, we've had tons of success with the trading aspect, and I'm actually going to show you that in real time because a lot of times people say, I don't want to just see how much money you made off with the people. I want to see how much money you actually made trading. You know, you get those little crybabies. So this is for the crybabies first. So let's get the crybabies out the way. All right, let's go show the trade history. All right. That way people can see that you actually can make money from the actual trading. All right, not just from recruitment, even though there's nothing wrong with that. But hey, let's just get into it. So these are actual trades that you can see that we're taking. As you can see, we have a lot of open ones. We got open one there, got an open one here, open one there. These are the ones that have closed thus far. So you can actually see, you know, they got in at 558, closed at 581 for a profit. So you can see all of my wins, losses right here. You can see the profit margins. You know, you can go down. You can see that, yes, we are trading every day, you know, I mean, all throughout the week, all throughout the month. So yes, these are real trades. You can go and look up these trades also. You know, if you wanted to verify, then you can actually verify in your Kraken account and then also be able to, you know, match up these same trades and see if they was actually taken. So yes, these are actual real trades really being taken. Also, we have a couple of trades that's actually open. So those trades aren't actually closed yet, which means there's no profit. So as you can see, it was 587.36, but there's no profit yet as far as right here on the sale. So we don't know if we won or lost yet. And just to be 100% transparent and show you that it's not going to always be all wins, which would be the first red flag. Like, wait a minute, you're trading, but you just got a perfect system, which has never been heard of before, right? So you will see, like, look, you do get losses. So like right here, you see LinkedIn USDT. Right here, you got the loss. You also got a loss down here. You got a loss right here. But the nice thing is you can see they're far and few. They're so spread out. Like, you're mostly in profit. They got all these trades out of 71 entries. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look like 6 losses. That's it. So we got 6 losses out of 71 trades. So that's beyond phenomenal, right? Beyond phenomenal. And very, very small gains, you know what I mean, to get you to where you're going. We've been averaging about anywhere between 2% to 12%. Marcus is the new trader I switched over to, and he's been doing an awesome job. He is currently at 12%. All right. So now that we got that out the way for the people that, oh my, we don't want to see how much you made off of recruiting people. We want to see how much you made from the trades. You know, so there you go. There you go. You got that out the way. Now, for the people that say, look, I don't leave money on the table. I'm not just a trader. I'm not here to just make 2 and 12%. Okay, that's cool. That's nice. That's a good gain. But you know what? What if we can 10x that? What if we can make? What if we can quadruple those numbers? You know what I mean? Would you not take advantage of that? Well, you'd be silly not to, especially when you can do so for free. So that means if you're already in there in this company and you're already taking advantage, why not share with others? You've been doing it your whole life. You don't even realize it. People always hate on marketing, but realize that you've been a marketer your whole life. You just haven't been getting paid for it. When you went to that awesome movie and you said, oh my God, this is the best movie I've seen in a long time. And you came home and told all your family and friends, and they said, really? And then they went to the movies. Guess what? You just did some marketing. The only difference is you didn't get paid for it. When you told somebody about that beautiful steak you got at Ruth's Chris for the first time, it's like, it's expensive, but it's so worth it. And they say, really? Yeah. And then they go and then they spend all that money over there. And Ruth Chris say, thank you for the referral. But guess what you got? Nothing in return as far as compensation. But you've been doing it all your life. That's what marketing is. It's not selling, it's sharing. Become a master sharer, not seller. Okay, let me just innovate that, get that through you. Okay, because a lot of people get it twisted and don't realize that. So with that being said, what if you got paid to send somebody to that movie that you went to? What if you got paid to send somebody to that restaurant you went to? Well, that's what you're doing here. You're getting paid to share something that you're already using, that's working, that you're passionate about. And you're saying, you know what? You might be able to benefit from it too. You might get value out of this as well. Here it goes. Nothing more, nothing less. You're not selling them on what it does and how it does it and what's in the back office. None of that. Let them sell themselves. You're just sharing the opportunity and letting them make an educated decision that works best for them. Okay? So, now we got that out the way, let's get into the money. So when we go over here and we go to my commissions, and we can see right here what I can withdraw actually right now. And we're going to do this in real time so you can see that you can withdraw your money, and no one's holding up your funds, and it's not, you're not waiting for a company to pay you out. So I purposely left this in so I could do this with you guys. So right here you can see that, and we'll go show you just how much this is for those that don't know how to calculate Bitcoin money. So right there it says available BTC is 0.047455117. What that is $2,798.11. Okay, so we're going to go withdraw that right now, immediately, to my Bitcoin wallet. All right, so this is one of my Bitcoin wallets right here. Copy the address. Withdraw commission. Are you sure you want to withdraw your commission? Yes. And actually, I believe this is already actually hooked up. I believe I already hooked up my address, so I don't even have to go to my balance. I just wanted to do that so you guys can see when it changes. So you see right there, it says here, pending. It just sent. So now let's go see what that looked like. You just heard it, right? So look at that, instantly, right there. Just received April 3rd, 2021. And you can see it was just received a few seconds ago. Still pending on the blockchain, but as you can see, we have just received $2,547. Of course, those are because of the fees that was taken out, and that was remaining. So you can see that we was able to do this in real time, real fast. Now, the one negative I will say, if it was any negative, because I'm 100% transparent as real, is the fees. Like, you see, we just got hit for over $200 worth of fees. That's the only negative I can see. I don't like, so it's the fees, transaction mining and all that. But I look at it like profit is profit, money is money. And I wouldn't have had this without sharing it with others. So if $21 turns into $16, so be it. At the end of the day, that's still $16 more than I had. And all my account would have been doing was just all this money would have been doing was just sitting in a whole wallet, collecting dust. Let's just be honest. You know what I mean? So for me, that's not a negative. For others, hey, to each his own. But I look at the bigger picture here. So if we go right here to my year to date for BTC received, you can see right here, of course, before fees is $4,623. But with that being said, I definitely took it in over $4,000. And now this is residual, which means now I'm making $4,000 a month on top of what I'm making with my trades. And just so you can see, I'll give you a quick update on where we at with the trades. I'm gonna do another official video just talking about the profits, but let's just show you, because seeing is believing, from the trading side of things on how much we're making with that. All right, so here's my real live Kraken account. I started with, I got everything written down right here on my board because I'm gonna keep track of everything. So we started out with, where we at? Oh, right there, 1,078. So we started off with 1,078.68. That was on the 8th. Okay, so of last month, on the 8th of last month, that was February, March. Yeah, that was March 8th. So March 8th, we was at 1,078.68. Now you can see we have 1,130. We also got some open trades right here that are still going. So we'll wait for these to close out. You can see we got a nice polka dot trade right here, already 12.90% up and 1.17. But again, none of these will close out until they're actually, when they see fit, the trader, and they got enough profit, or, I set and forget. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not back here micromanaging my account, looking here every day, looking at small gains. I'm more of a, let me check it in the week, let me check in a couple of weeks, and I may even get to a point where I check it in a month. So I wanted to keep this account kind of like where it's at and being able to, so you guys can see it from beginning to end, but I'm thinking I'm going to actually add some more money in there so I can get some more leverage from my accounts, because the sweet spot is like $300 a trade. Right now I'm taking $100 a trade with a $1,000 account, but I'm thinking about putting about 5 or 10 more thousand in here. That way I can take $300 trades and then be able to get a lot more bang for my buck and be able to get higher profit margins throughout the month. But as you can see, slow and steady still wins the race, and it's actually winning and doing what it do. This is better than my money just sitting in the whole wallet, collecting dust, collecting nothing until these coin prices rise and I happen to have these coins and I make money. I'd rather be sitting here making me money on autopilot. And then when the price rises, that's just extra added bonus, which brings me back to this when I was saying where they take their fees. It could be like, oh my God, they took these $200 worth of fees, but guess what? Bitcoin could rise at any given time. This can go 58,000 to 60,000 and boom, that would eat up that $200 loss and now it becomes a win. So that's the other reason why I'm looking at the bigger picture. I get $21 per person that signs up for CPT, and that 21 can easily turn to 41 or 51 or 61 just based off of price rising. All right. So hope that all made sense. I hope you got some value out of this today. If you like what you see, then definitely hit the link below if you want to get started at cptelite.com and we'll get you going. Or if you got questions, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you have. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell. That way you get notified as well. And hey, look, I appreciate you all and I can't wait to see you on my next video. With that being said, have a blessed day.